Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to lock in Google Sheets so it doesn't scroll. Let's begin. First of all, open your Google spreadsheet. Then lock row. Example, select row 1, go to view tab, freeze and row on. And now see this, scroll your mouse, lock, does scroll. And secondly, right click, view more row actions, unfreeze row. And again, select 2 rows, 3, 5 rows, go to view tab, freeze up to row 5 or 1 row, 2 row as you wish, then up to row 5 and scroll your mouse and see this does so it doesn't scroll. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.